So I came in the back door, and I come into the kitchen. It's got updated heating and air. And it's got newer floors. I don't know if you can see, the counter is bowed and leaning. The floor is humped right there. And I don't know if you can see it, but it goes up. I just walked through the house and I guess that doesn't work either. Sorry, I thought you might be able to see it, but you'll have to trust me. The floors are wonky all through here when I just went through to turn the lights on. And the ceilings have had some issues in the past. There's a step down here, right there, into the dining room. And this little room would be the laundry room, utility room. You got your water heater. Must be gas because it vents to the outside, which is part of that roof staining, I think. And there's your vent that was taped up from the outside so critters can't get in.